This is the best crockpot rump roast recipe I've ever had or made. It's really simple, put it in the crockpot all day and it's ready for dinner. The recipe is very versatile, but I'll put all of the ingredients in the description below. So you'll want to start with one yellow onion chopped up. You can do small chunks or big chunks, whatever you prefer. I just did small chunks this time. Then you want to add in a chunk of butter just right into the crock pot, and then add in all of your onions. Then you'll add in a 1/4 cup of flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a little bit more salt if you want, whatever you prefer. It's really simple. Then you'll add some butter to a hot pan, and then over medium heat you just add your rump roast right in and sear it on every side. Yeah, and this is going to be your prep for the morning, so that way your dinner will be ready at night. Nice and simple. So yeah, make sure to sear it on every side. It'll take about 4 minutes per side. And then add it to your flour mixture you made, and make sure the flour is coating every side of the meat. So I used a spoon for the sides the sides that I missed. And then you just add it directly to your crock pot over your onions and butter. Now you'll chop up some carrots. You could use baby carrots. That's the easiest way personally, but I just had these rainbow carrots on hand, so I'm just peeling them and cutting them up to the size that I want them. Yeah, I love the versatility of this recipe and simplicity. It doesn't take a lot of ingredients and it doesn't take a lot of time, and there's nothing that feels better than having your dinner already ready without any work at night. The evening time is always the hardest for me to start dinner, just because I have a 6-month-old and we're always busy in the evening times. That's when my husband comes home. The last thing I want to do is go work in the kitchen. So mornings are best. Add in your carrots into the crock pot, chop up some potatoes. You could use baby potatoes. I just cut up some red potatoes we had, and just add them around your rump roast. They'll get nice and juicy from the meat that's in there. Now you're going to want to add a package of Italian seasoning, but I only had the salad dressing, so I added like a 1/4 cup of that. A packet of brown gravy or chicken gravy, whatever you have, or just add gravy. I made this ranch mixture. I added a couple tablespoons of that. So it's Italian seasoning, gravy, and ranch. So just add whatever you have of that into a bowl to make a sauce. It's really simple. To use whatever you have on hand and then pour it right over your meat, potatoes, onions, and carrots. Now put the lid on your crock pot and leave it there all day long. We ended up pulling ours out early just because I started a little late and we had something going on. So if you could leave it there all day, the meat will just be more tender as you go. And then here's what it looks like when we had it. It was so delicious. I hope you enjoy.